LearnDash Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this LearnDash review. For links to the platform and additional resources, check the description below. LearnDash is a powerful learning management system, LMS plugin for WordPress, tailored for educators, entrepreneurs, and businesses looking to create and manage professional online courses directly on their websites. Its robust features make it a great fit for everything from solo creators to corporate training programs and educational institutions. LearnDash's standout feature is its deep integration with WordPress, allowing you to transform your existing WordPress site into a dynamic learning platform. Its intuitive drag-and-drop course builder makes it easy to create engaging courses with videos, quizzes, assignments, and downloadable materials. The flexibility of LearnDash enables creators to design various types of learning experiences, including self-paced, cohort-based, or drip-fed content, where lessons are released over time. For businesses and institutions, LearnDash offers advanced learner management features. You can organize students into groups, assign specific courses, and even provide group leaders with management capabilities. This is perfect for corporate training environments or schools managing multiple classes. Monetization is seamless with LearnDash. It supports one-time payments, subscriptions, memberships, and bundles, all through integrations with popular payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and WooCommerce. Additionally, its compatibility with third-party tools like Zapier, MailChimp, and BuddyBoss allows for a highly customizable and scalable solution. From a student's perspective, LearnDash offers an excellent user experience. Its focus mode ensures distraction-free learning, while progress tracking and completion certificates provide motivation. The mobile-friendly design ensures students can access lessons on any device, making learning convenient and flexible. LearnDash also excels in analytics and reporting. Course creators can track student performance, completion rates, and engagement levels, helping refine course content and improve outcomes. In conclusion, LearnDash is an excellent LMS for anyone looking to create feature-rich, professional online courses while maintaining control over branding and customization. Whether you're a solo instructor, a business leader, or part of an institution, LearnDash delivers the tools you need to succeed. To learn more or get started, check the links in the description below.